Budgeting. Learn how to create a budget, track your expenses, and manage your money effectively. Budgeting is a fundamental aspect of financial management that can help individuals and families to achieve their financial goals, whether it is to save for retirement, pay off debt, or achieve financial freedom. In this documentary, we will explore the basics of budgeting, including how to create a budget, track your expenses, and manage your money effectively. Principle 1. Why budgeting is important. Budgeting is essential for individuals and families who want to manage their money effectively and achieve their financial goals. A budget helps to track expenses, identify areas of overspending, and prioritize spending on essential items. It also provides a sense of control and enables people to plan for the future, whether it is to save for a down payment on a home or a child's education. Principle 2. Creating a budget. Creating a budget involves several steps. The first step is to identify all sources of income, including salaries, bonuses, and any other forms of income. Next, it's essential to track all expenses for at least a month. This includes everything from rent or mortgage payments to utilities, groceries, entertainment, and other discretionary spending. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can begin to allocate funds to different categories. The key is to make sure that the budget is realistic and sustainable. It's crucial to prioritize essential items like housing, utilities, and food before allocating funds to discretionary spending. Budgeting software, such as Mint or YNAB, can be helpful in tracking expenses and creating a budget that works for you. Principle 3. Tracking expenses. Tracking expenses is an essential part of budgeting. It helps to identify areas of overspending and provides insight into where money is going each month. There are several ways to track expenses, including using a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or simply keeping receipts and logging expenses manually. It's essential to be diligent and consistent when tracking expenses. It's also important to review expenses regularly and make adjustments as needed to stay within budget and meet financial goals. Principle 4. Managing money effectively. Managing money effectively involves more than just creating a budget and tracking expenses. It's also important to save for emergencies and long-term goals, such as retirement or a child's education. One common rule of thumb is to aim to save at least 20% of income each month. Investing is another way to manage money effectively. It's important to understand the risks and potential rewards of different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, before investing. Working with a financial advisor can be helpful in developing a long-term investment strategy that aligns with personal financial goals and risk tolerance. Principle 5. Tips for successful budgeting. Successful budgeting requires discipline, consistency, and a willingness to adjust and adapt as needed. Here are a few tips for successful budgeting. Set realistic financial goals and prioritize spending accordingly. Track expenses regularly and make adjustments as needed. Be mindful of discretionary spending and try to limit unnecessary expenses. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Consider working with a financial advisor to develop a long-term investment strategy. By following these tips and committing to a budget, individuals and families can manage their money effectively, achieve their financial goals, and ultimately achieve financial freedom. Budgeting is an essential aspect of financial management that can help individuals and families achieve their financial goals and attain financial freedom. By creating a budget, tracking expenses, and managing money effectively, anyone can take control of their finances and build a secure financial future. Whether you are just starting out or looking to improve your financial habits, budgeting is a valuable tool that can help you achieve your goals and live the life you want. Thank you for joining me today for this presentation. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any feedback or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.